Hi there everybody and welcome to the Weather Centre. It's expected to be a cooler day along the west coast and the adjacent interior with increased cloud cover over those areas, while for the opposite side of the country it's going to be a much warmer day. Now that the cloud has started to clear out of the area, we're going to see warmer air moving through, and that's pushing the temperatures up over KZN, the Lowveld and the surrounding areas. It'll be a partly cloudy afternoon for the rest of the interior of the country, and as indicated by the Synoptic Analysis, thundershowers will be popping up in places over the northwest in the Free State into KwaZulu-Natal. Those will spread northwards on the Highveld as the day goes on into this evening. Quick look at the alerts, and there is one warning in place. That's for a high fire danger. This is valid for much of the central, southern and western interior. Gusty conditions across the region could result in runaway fires developing. Let's move ahead to your rainfall probability map, and here we see the thunder showers that are expected through the central parts of the country. And as we've seen on the Synoptic Analysis, those storms are going to spread northwards during the course of the afternoon and evening, reaching Gauteng as well as in Mpumalanga, and we're also going to see a likelihood for thunder showers into KwaZulu-Natal. Only isolated storms in the forecast across these areas, so the chances are still relatively low. Quick look at the temperatures, and it's going to be hotter through the northern parts of the country, Bombela as well as Vryburg, both getting to a maximum of 35. And we're also going to see a much hotter day into KwaZulu-Natal, some areas getting into mid-30s, and it's also going to be quite warm for some areas in the Eastern Cape. Along the coastline, southwesterly winds make their way from Port Elizabeth through to Port St. John's, very gusty around PE at 45 kilometers per hour. A fairly nasty northeasterly swell for Durban today with a height of 2 meters. It is going to be very choppy out there. Over the southern interior, warm to hot conditions in the forecast. Oudtshoorn and Robertson get to 27. Much milder along the coastline, on the other hand, where temperatures get to about 20 degrees Celsius. Light winds at first for Jeffreys Bay, but becoming fresh to strong during the course of the afternoon. Heading into the Northern Cape, where it's going to be hot for some areas, but warmer over the western high ground, mid-20s for those areas, while along the coastline, cooler air is going to be in circulation. Lambert's Bay reaches a high of only 19 degrees, and lighter winds are in the forecast for Cape Town at 15 kilometers per hour. Swell heights for this area only reaching 1.5 meters. A look ahead to tomorrow, and there'll still be a few thunder showers up in the northern parts. It's going to be even hotter for some areas. 39 degrees is a maximum for Bombela, while a cold front brushes in over the southern parts, bringing in a few showers to that area. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.